The PAWS airdrop is one of the most talked about right now in the play to earn ecosystem. This is one of the airdrop I am personally taking it seriously. And if you come to this very mini app right at this point, you discover this explore section was not here before, is a newly added feature. And if you come to the end section as well, this very page right at this point, you discover there is a lot of mystery quests to do, like this very one. This is a milestone quest that I want to do with you guys, and also this very mystery quest right here. I have done these two before now, so let's do these two in this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. The PAWS airdrop, like I said, is one of the most talked about right now. If you come to the explore section right here, it is covered that there is a lot of things to do. You see, explore ton, leave your footprint in ton ecosystem. This very airdrop, I believe, is going to pay, not a guarantee, but this is what I am personally doing. If you come to this very eye and click on it, this is the information you must have to read. Explore ton information. Next major step for PAWS is to track footprints within the ton ecosystem. Users will earn wrapped PAWS. For each trial completed, reward can be claimed in the PAWS tax section as milestones are reached, and this milestone can be reached different time. And if you do this and you did not get reward, don't worry, they will actually give you reward later. So if you completed a ton transaction and you do not get reward, don't think you are not going to get any reward at all. They are going to definitely give you reward. That is just the basics. So what I want to do now is to do this mystery quest right here. So any of the two. So what I will do is to do ton transaction. So for me to do that, I must ensure that there is enough ton in my wallet, which I have fund my wallet with about 2 ton or so. And I will come to this explore section because that is where you can perform that very task. So I will click on this add WPAWS and I will click on add. I have done 0.1 ton before when I completed the other mystery quest. So right now I will increase a little bit to see whether it will unlock the mystery quest with 0.2 ton, and I will click send. So once I click send, it will take me to my wallet and I will slide this to confirm this transaction. So I will confirm the transaction and wait a little bit for this transaction to go through. And of course, you have to come back to the PAWS page. So I will come back and then I will click on go back right here and see this message. You have made a transaction but have not received your reward. No worries. Your rewards are being processed and you will get credited soon. So I will click on got it. So if I come back here to the end section, which is where I want to check, it is covered that there is no reward. Okay, I have spent on, but there's no reward. This timer is still counting. So what I will do is to simply click on this very 3 dot right here, and then I will refresh this very page. I'll reload the page and see whether anything is there for me from this very transaction that I just did. And then I will go back to the end section, and then if you check right here, there is no reward. So what I will do is to increase my ton. I will do by increasing my ton again. So in this very case, let me do like 1.9 ton, okay, and see whether this will go. Or let me do 2 ton, okay. So I will set this to 2 ton. I want to get this right, 2 ton. So 2 ton, let me send 2 ton and see whether that very mystery quest will be unlocked for me to claim. So I will click on this and then I will slide this and then wait for this transaction to go through. Okay, most importantly, if you don't have the capacity to do this, please don't do it. Okay, if you don't have the resources to do it, don't do it. It's not a do or die affair that you must do this. And then if you click on go back, I have sent 2 ton. You see the same message pop up and I will click on got it. And then the next thing I will do is to check again on the end section. You see right here, guys, see it. This very mystery quest have unlocked because I sent 2 ton. So what I will do is to claim it. And if you look at my home page right here, first of all, go to the home page. You discover I have 188k PAWS, but I will go back to the end section. So if I go back to the end section right at this point, because I want to claim this, I will click on this very claim button. And when I click on it, it will definitely add to my balance. So I will go back to the home page and see whether that I've added to my balance. See, it has added to my balance. This is now 238.76k pounds already right here. So this is how you can do this mystery quest. So the basics is that this mystery quest require you to be doing ton transactions. So you can be trying with the little ton you have until you reach a certain milestone. And when you reach that milestone, definitely the request or the mystery quest will be unlocked for you to claim. Let's say, for example, this very one, infinite milestone. The pause associated with this very milestone is unknown. You just have plus triple question marks and pause. So it is unknown. So if you want to unlock this, you simply go to this very explore section. So on the explore section right here, and then you begin to do what? Turn transaction before that very one is going to definitely open. But for now, I will stop here. I don't want to spend any money right now. And I need to maybe fund my wallet to actually do this very one by increasing, maybe using 3 ton or 4, 5, 6 ton as the case may be to unlock this. And I have 14 hours remaining for me to unlock this very infinite milestone. So this is very important right now. If you have the capacity, if you have the capability to do this ton transaction, do it, because I believe personally that the PAWS airdrop is going to pay. And if you don't have the capacity to do it, please don't worry, leave it. Just focus on the free ones and do it, and that's all. And definitely you're going to still get this very airdrop. But I would have advised that you spend, even though it's 0.1 ton, so that you can have a track record on chain for this very airdrop, because they may come up with allocation criteria, and one of those allocation criteria can be you must have performed 1 ton transaction, not 1 ton, but you must have performed a ton transaction, okay, using this very PAWS mini app. And we've seen airdrop in many cases come up with this kind of criteria. And if you don't have any track record of a single ton transaction, you may not get the airdrop, or your allocation may be very, very small compared to those that spend a 0.1 ton transaction, which should be about $1 or $2 or thereabout. So I will advise that if you have the capability to spend the little ton transaction, remember you are spending what you can afford to lose. Crypto 101. Spend what you can afford to lose. Don't spend what you will hit your head if this airdrop did not turn out very well. So this is very important right now, guys. Pay attention to this and do this mystery quest right here by going to the end section, and then you use the explore section right here to perform your ton transaction to unlock those mystery quests and reach those milestones. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. And if you want to watch my Bloom airdrop videos, check right here. It will help you. And if you want to learn how to trade crypto from beginning to advanced level, check this video right here as well. It's going to help you. Thanks for supporting this channel.